Hi, welcome to Day 4 Travel, where every day is a great day for travel. Today, we're taking you to the historic Tremont House Hotel in downtown Galveston, Texas. The current hotel is the third Tremont hotel to exist in Galveston, with the first one being built in 1839, just 3 years after Texas won its independence from Mexico. It was one of the premier hotels in Texas until it eventually burned down in 1865. In 1872, a second Tremont House opened as an even more luxurious hotel, and it hosted many notable people such as Buffalo Bill Cody, Rutherford Hayes, Ulysses S. Grant, Grover Cleveland, among others. The current Tremont House Hotel exists in the former Leon H. Blum building, built in 1879, which was eventually purchased by George and Cynthia Mitchell in 1981 and was turned into the third Tremont Hotel that exists today in 1985. Let's take a look. As you enter the lobby, you'll find the decor updated to modern while still preserving the charm of the past. At one end of the atrium area is the Blum and Company Cafe, where you can order coffee, desserts, and pastries. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are also served. Enjoy the fantastic views of the atrium as you eat. At the other end of the lobby area is the Shoe Bar, where you can relax with friends or family and also grab lunch or dinner. Most of the menu items are the same as the Blum and Company Cafe, so it is just a matter of what kind of atmosphere you prefer. I was surprised to find out that the palm trees in the atrium are alive and real, which gives the hotel a little bit of that tropical feel. Currently, they offer live piano music on Thursday nights. The glass elevators will whisk you up to the floor you are staying on, where you will find bridges that offer you spectacular views of the lobby below. The rooms are clean and well arranged, and one thing you will notice first is the high ceilings that are common to many 19th century buildings. There are standard amenities such as a small closet, an ice bucket, a Keurig coffee maker with tea and decaf options, and there is a small fridge as well. The bathrooms are nice and stylish, and the only negative thing I think there is that there was not a whole lot of counter space. Once we were settled in, it was time to head up to the fourth floor to the Rooftop bar. The roof area had been closed for 3 years, and so this night was their grand reopening. The whole staff was busy getting up to speed. We decided to try the spicy Paloma, which we thought was fantastic. Then we got a chance to relax and soak in some of the views of downtown Galveston. The outside deck was still not open for service, but you could still step out and get some fresh air. All in all, we think that Tremont is a great location close to the cruise port or the historic Strand. Thanks for joining us. If you liked our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, arrivederci, paka paka, hasta luego, and shalom lahithroat.